Hey guys, my name is Lisette, and if you want to know how to make your own ice queen crown, stick around so I can show you how. To prepare for my ice queen crown, I took two plastic skulls and I cut them right down the middle using a heated knife. I grabbed 4 pieces of piping and I wrapped it around my head so I can measure, and I twisted those to create a rim. I sprayed down my metal bowl using cooking spray because the cooking spray is going to help me to remove the crown later on. With the glue gun, I went ahead and created these triangles to mimic icicles. And then I went and I glued my skulls on either side of the crown. I used silver and glitter nail polish to color the skulls and the tips of the crown as well. With the leftover piping, I created a branch in the middle and I added some gems and teardrops for the skulls as well. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm just starting now, so I could use a little love. You can find me on Instagram at Lisette. That's LISSETTE. I promise I'm going to show you some really cool stuff, so stick around. I hope to see you again real soon. Peace.